Uncertainty surrounding funding for federal food assistance programs because of the government shutdown has some local food banks seeing an increase in need.
News 8's Kyle Mitchell is live in the studio with how one nonprofit is trying to navigate the shutdown. Kyle?
Amber and Rick, Feeding America West Michigan says it expects the need to grow the longer a shutdown goes on. Keeping the shelves stocked at Feeding America West Michigan's Kentwood warehouse is a constant task, and with uncertainty surrounding future funding to federal food programs like WIC and SNAP, workers may be busier than ever before.
We've been hearing a lot. A lot of it is just unknown. We're kind of waiting. There's a number of programs that we're involved with that could be impacted. Ken
Estelle is the president and CEO of the nonprofit and says they're already seeing high demand.
It's just because of uncertainty, there are more people coming to some of our food distributions because they just are not sure what may happen. So even though they may not have been directly impacted yet, we're seeing that increase.
While WIC and SNAP haven't run out of funding, Estelle says any delay or uncertainty surrounding funding leads to more people turning to charitable food organizations for assistance. Some federal food programs would have a direct impact on the food that can be provided.
We get about 30% of the food we distribute comes from USDA commodity food programs, where the USDA provides us food, a lot of it from Michigan farms, that we then provide to folks in need. That program right now we're not able to put in any new orders for those commodities.
The nonprofit doesn't know if any of those food shipments will be delayed or canceled. The last government shutdown at the end of 2018 into 2019 had the organization working to meet a growing demand for federal workers who stopped receiving paychecks.
We actually ended up helping out a number of federal workers at the airport, TSA workers and the like, that weren't getting a paycheck, and so we were doing food distributions there.
The organization's trying to remain hopeful that Congress can come up with an agreement to reopen.
We're kind of anxiously looking to see how long this goes, and if it goes another week or two, we could end up really looking at some federal employees in our area that aren't getting a paycheck, and we'll need to be able to help them as well.
Private donations help the nonprofit better meet the increased need. If you want to learn how to donate, we have a link in this story over on woodtv.com.